just left Morrison in the car.
Oh my God.
Show them in your box. Show them in your box. Because you know why? We don't buy bags, you know. In this family, what we do, we just take an empty box and call it a day. Yeah, I am an original Negro girl. Not many can say that. This is huge.
You know what color car?
No, babe, I don't. Wow, wow. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I come to good morning. I can see my mother coming, guys. Remember the other day we went to the post office and we couldn't return the items because of X, Y, and Z and blah, 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 blah. Well, this morning she has decided to try her luck. Did you go through?
Who?
Lovely.
Who tried her?
You did. Remember last time we came here there was an issue?
Yeah, and he's a different man in there, him too. Oh, barcode. Time to turn on the thing.
Amazing stuff. I come to greet you. You didn't see Pastor Raise my song? Oh, I was so happy. Morning, good morning.
You have to take a picture of everything, people, because I keep losing stuff.
And then when you take pictures, you still can't find them. Tell them the truth.
Business,
Tell them the truth. When you take pictures, you still can't find the things.
I know that, man.
So it kind of defeats the purpose of you.
You know what happened to the receipt? I clean up my pocket to wash my coat and chuck it. And that's a little piece of receipt I should have had. So that return anyway.
I come to greet you all. I hope the woman sees us early this morning because we are quite early. And I don't know how long the parking is for it.
So why make us so quite early for? What time?
Because you want, no, it's not even 10 o'clock yet.
No, I'm saying 10 o'clock. What appointment?
10:30.
1 hour early? Oh, Jesus help me.
So what we went to do?
I'm here run, so I'm run, go to the post office, you know?
I know. So what can we do to kill time? I don't know. I don't want to drive that far and then by the time we get back it's too late.
But you want things up, it wouldn't say make sense to turn right back, no neither.
Want things where Morrison's.
Oh, we do want to go Edmonton Green, you can't go there.
No,
I
don't want to chance that and all that job. Maybe sometimes she sees us early, you know, when the person ain't there for there.
Alright then, let's go there straight.
I come to greet you all. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Right, guys, it's not good evening yet. It's still the morning. Look at the time. Let me just make a mental note of this so I can kind of remember. So today, after we go to my appointment, we need to go to Errands Green because I need to go to PAX, and then I need to go to the post office to send back. Because you know, if you're with EE, they do this trading thing where you send in your old phone and you get a new phone.
So where's your old phone?
It's here.
Oh, is it?
Guys, let me be honest. Apple is a teeth.
Oh, you need to do a review on that. You need to do a review on.
It's such a. I don't see the bloody difference.
I know EE do Apple.
Pardon my language.
It's not EE, it's Apple.
I was perfectly fine with my little iPhone 14, you know, but we got enough of myself.
14 Pro Max. Now she have 15 Pro Max people.
The only good thing is that my bill has reduced significantly, and we thank God because.
Thank God for me, because I was one who told you.
I don't know what kind of hubbubaloo I was paying before. It was ridiculous. So we thank God that my price plan is now cheaper. But in the same breath, I really don't. The only difference, literally, the one and only difference I have actually seen so far, yeah, is that, you know, with the iPhone 14 and the below ones, when you want to make the phone go silent, you have to click it downwards, the little thing that has the little red thing in it. now there's no clicking downwards, you just hold that button. That is literally the only difference. And the second difference is the charger. That is literally it. So you can't charge the iPhone 15 with the iPhone 14 charger. That is literally the only difference. And I have to say, I'm very disappointed in Apple, considering how much money they make. They no longer send you the actual charger bit. They only send you the cable. So if you don't have a plug-in socket at home already, you're gonna have to go and buy that crap. And considering how expensive the phone is, you don't even get headphones. Like, Apple is really slack. Honestly, Apple is slack. Such a slack company. And I've been having an iPhone since iPhone 4. When I'm on iPhone 15. So I've been a very loyal customer to the thing, you understand? And dirty Apple is still moving away. So I'm actually livid, as they would say. But you know what? To God be the glory, my price plan is way cheaper. So let me not argue too much. But if you are thinking of getting an iPhone 15 Pro Max, guys, to be honest, I don't think it's worth it, because there's not much difference. Oh, and the third difference is okay, there's three differences. The third difference is their biggest storage, their smallest storage starts at 256 gigabytes. So for someone like me who loves to take pictures, a little clip here and there, it is quite good, because I believe the iPhones before, their smallest storage started from 128. So it's a big jump with storage, but it still doesn't, baby, it's still not added up. Damn it, it's really early, isn't it?
You can wait, man.
But by the time we drive to Edmonton, it's going to be 10 o'clock, do you know what I mean? So it's like driving to Edmonton and driving backwards. I don't really see the burning petrol for that. But I don't think they even open till 10, so what are we actually going to do? I don't know, unless we go to have a look in B&M's. I don't know, what can we do? I don't know.
Going down this house.
Or Edmonton. Yeah, but we actually want to do things in Edmonton. We can't actually jump out the car and then I have to pay for parking. It makes no sense paying for parking how many times today. Whereas if you drive to BMM, it's like, have a look around, whatever.
Well, we get 2 hours in thingy, so I mean...
No, it's an hour and a half. It's not like Morrison's.
Is it?
Yeah. So, I don't even know what I was talking about. Oh, I was talking about the iPhones, guys, literally. I cannot see the significance in getting the iPhone 15. Apparently, the video quality is better, which I don't know if it is. If you think this clip is better, then let me know, because I'm recording it on the iPhone 15. You understand? That is only if you believe the clip is better. Besides that, backside. What the hell? And there's a police banner right there.
Oh shit, they can't do nothing because they're going somewhere. Oh my god.
God, if you saw what this man just did, absolute nutter.
Could have bounced somebody in because they're coming from the crossing.
Absolute. Wow. Hey, Jesus, this is why I have to pray every morning, you know. I have to pray with my dad because you have some sick ass mad people that are just like, don't haunt me. This is my next issue. People with their dusty ass cars and they want to be honking people. Don't be so nuff. Right? So where's he going? It's to turn right.
No, I say red light in front.
Yeah, but he wants to go this way instead of waiting for us to go down. He's gone.
Yeah, but that's bad, but he went for the red lights and go get a ticket. Good for him.
That's his business. Guys, I can't lie. No matter how much of a Christian you are, no matter how much of a nice person you are, driving in England, specifically London, will give you road rage because people are so idiotic. Like, it's like their common sense is not common sense.
Now watch money truck over there.
Well, maybe we'll be stuck in traffic till 10 o'clock, which is fine. Because look, it's not really moving, is it? Because the school run and...
By the time we reach thingy and park up and stuff and walk across, we'll be past 10. So we're on time.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We're fine. Because if it was already 10 o'clock in this traffic, we'd be having to fret like, oops. Mr. Blue Big Car. You see these big car owners, very selfish, you know. They probably bully you off the road. Look at him. Yeah, I'm talking about you. No, you ain't. When we tell that man, no, he ain't.
No, he knows.
Oh. Oh.
He just
trying to bully.
He just went to come down.
He better. Because I've noticed a lot of men try to bully women off the road. And I saw this story on TikTok, which I'm very livid about. This man, anyways, to be honest, I think the woman was a bit enough anyways. Because why would you stop in the middle of the road to argue with someone? Well, you know, people are mad as hell in England right now. Anyways, this man, yeah, he came down on her really hard, like at a speed, yeah. And do you know what he did eventually? Well, you know what he did? The man smashed out her entire window with a crowbar, and her child was in the car. But you see, me as a parent, you need to be responsible enough to know that if your child's in the car, don't argue with people, because you're putting your life plus your child's life at risk.
Yeah.
And then it didn't make sense when she said, oh, but my child was in the car. Okay, the man might have smashed your window, but you're there cussing some big dirty bad word in front of your kids. So it don't make sense anyways. But the man had no right to do that. No right. How dare he? And it wasn't even the driver that smashed in her car, you know. It was the driver's brethren in the back. It's them backseat passengers. They're very rude sometimes. I really don't like that bus, the North Finchley one.
SL1.
Yeah. I don't like the way it looks.
That red and white colour, innit?
It looks weird. It looks like it's a rail replacement. Let me show you guys, 1 second. I don't know if you can see the bus over there.
That is nice.
Do you see the bus over there, guys? That's what I'm talking about. I don't like the way it looks. It just looks a bit funky. Do you know what I mean? Anyways, come drive with us into a little car park.
I hear that Spurs get new planning permission for you to do some big something on there again.
Spurs? What's Spurs doing?
Eh?
After they've already...
You know traffic that cars.
Of course, but after Spurs has already got
that big stadium, more to make fans more comfortable.
Fans more comfortable? Their fans are more... Yeah, so basically that's the bus that I was talking about a minute ago.
She loves the camera on us. She don't want to show you.
Yes, because my Julsz love to see us. They've already told me they don't like looking outside. They've come here to see me. Your people might like looking outside, but my people like looking at us.
I love to see where people going.
That's you.
To get to know new
But your
places.
channel's not really a go where you're going channel, is it? It's a vlogging channel. So
It is, but it's also a driving channel.
Well, my channel's not a driving channel, sorry. We don't want to see where we're going. You're just seeing pavement and cars. I don't see how that's really interesting. ULEZ. If you don't have a ULEZ compliant car, guys, you'll be paying £12.50 a day to drive your car in London. If that's not wickedness, I don't know what is. Watch this woman now. Don't come knock on my door, you know. Look at this. Look at this. I tell you guys. Oh, the blood of Jesus. I really don't like how they do it, you know. It makes me really icky. And you're coming to knock on my door. Don't do that. And these times they're rich. Them people, they're rich, you know. They have their big mansion out of London. Don't let them fool you. Come to blood of Jesus. Come on my car. Come to knock on my door. Don't do that. Yeah, so ULEZ. I just told them what ULEZ is, Mum. Are you not listening?
I say they haven't got one. But you know what I mean? Ultra low emissions.
Don't come show for me. Don't come do that. Don't.
I did a project on it in uni.
Don't come show up your skin now. It's master's degree. Don't come show up your skin. Ultra, yes, I know it means ultra, whatever. Ultra low. What's the O for then? What's the
no O not in there? ULEZ.
Oh yeah, ULEZ. No. ULEZ. Yeah. Low.
No.
Ultra low.
Emission.
What is it? Zone. Don't play with me.
I'm
not stupid, you know. No, she tried to come show up her skin, people. You see how Mum tried to come show up her skin a minute ago? Excuse you? That, you know that's showing up your skin, right? Prestige.
No way.
You're showing up your skin.
No.
You are. Anyway, as I was saying to me, Jules, I have a few errands to run, but Mum just made my head go all a bit bubbly. So we have to go to Edmonton. So I'm gonna go to the post office and then to the hair supply shop, and then we're gonna go to Morrison's to get some fruit salad. Oh, I'm got to go Asda. Mum needs to go look for an inquiry, do an inquiry. Guys, I have something to tell you about Dirty AliExpress. Oh, Mummy, I didn't even tell you. The people that want to guess how much refund they want to give me. Guess how much refund they want to come give me. Oh, maybe I'm. Alright, well. The woman said she wants to give me £8. From £91 something, the woman wants to come and look at me and give me £8. 8 British pounds. Huh. I want this. Mum don't really like walking, you know, guys. Personally, it's good to exercise.
I've walked so much in my life.
It doesn't matter.
No opportunity to partner.
The woman wants to give me £8. £8. Huh. When she said, "Oh sis, is this good enough for you?" I'm thinking, oh, maybe it's gonna be a good refund. Blah, 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 blah. The woman wants to look at me, big jewels, and give me £8.
That's not nothing. But why you need a refund? Because
the hair quality is trash, and they advertise it like it was amazing. 90 minutes worth of free parking. That's an hour and a half, isn't it? What time is it now? Okay, we should be coming back by then.
More than
But yeah, guys, we've reached our first destination. I can't really take y'all, but we'll see you soon. Okay, bye.
Oh yeah.
We go home and stick things in Miracle's book. Let's have a quick look before we drive off then.
Oh, you got your finger.
Got a smile. Look at that nose.
Pussy. Oh yeah.
The cheeky bugger didn't give us any coloured one this time. Anyways, it's fine.
When you print in African colour?
Our other 3D ones was in colour.
No, man. So when you print, when you have them seal. Need to make something for your jar, honey?
Maybe if I want to get home because I want to melt it in the microwave.
Oh no.
No?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, it's not hard at all. The dogs, we're back from our appointment. Oh, they blocked it off. Since when?
I told you.
It's not very good. Back from our appointment. Let me tell you, sister girl. That's their new saying, isn't it? Sister girl.
God, it's like I'm a man or woman. Oh my God.
The appointment was excellent. God never fails me. What's him? My Jesus never fails me. What a beautiful experience. Let me just say this without doing anything too extra. But if you live in England and you can afford to go private for certain things, definitely pay your coins, honey, because child, this is a lovely experience, and you know, I'll definitely go in depth a bit more when I can. But girl,
this one have no money.
Your Julsz is a happy bunny today. Very happy bunny. So enough of me chit-chatting. Let's go to
Edmonton.
we're going to Edmonton Green right now.
And this is
We've got to
Angel.
we've got to go to Asda, and then the post office and PAX as well. Then we're going to go to Palmer's Green Morrison. We're going to go to Morrison's after, because I want to get
I just want to do all these things all over the place.
Med Plus. Yeah, that's a private one though.
Yeah, but I have in a wood green now, they have here, so.
Yeah. I'm gonna go as Morrison for a pasta bowl that I absolutely adore. Like it just tastes so delicious that it tastes so delicious that your girl just has to have it. They do a deal. I think it's £3.50. You get the pasta, the salad bowl, and also a drink and a crisp. I don't know if I'm going to actually go for the meal deal this time or if I'm going to get a large one. I'm indecisive. I don't know yet, but your girl is happy. My God, what prayer can't do, eh? I'm telling you. Guys, listen. Never stop trusting in
God.
Never stop trusting in God. Prayer move mountains. Prayer, but obviously behind the prayer you also have to have faith as well. Remember the Bible says if you have faith that's small as a mustard seed, you can move any mountain. So with God in the vessel, you will smile at all your storms. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. You gotta just trust and believe that when it is your time, it's your time, and no one can take that away from you. You know. And as they say, whose report will you believe?
I shall believe the report of the Lord.
Right, because some of these doctors will make you feel like, nah, bruh, what you want is not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. It's not going to happen.
And they're not God.
But you just gotta lift your faith to God. Do you know what I mean? And sometimes as Christians, we gotta go into the Word and remind God, like, God, you said, remember you said this, you know?
Yeah.
This is not my words that I'm using. Remember in your words it says X, Y, and Z.
Remind that you're not a God to lie, and you will not lie now. And your words and your promises are true. That's the reminder.
And He shows up and shows off. Let me tell you, child. But yeah, just stay tuned because I'm gonna obviously spill the tea.
Yeah.
Real soon. You know, over here we don't talk before the is it fruition or whatever. Yeah. Just continue having faith. Continue praying. And nothing is too big for God, right? And don't listen to the naysayers. Like, no matter what the enemy says, keep pushing, baby. Keep pushing. For real, for real. Always keep pushing. Along with faith and praying and trusting in God, also make sure whatever you're going through, you also put your head to paper and do your own research as well. Do you know what I mean? Nothing like your own research as well. Yeah, that's why you have a brain to think. So yes, we're on our way to Asda. We're not actually going to Asda. We're going to Edmonton Green for what? Oh no, we are actually going to Asda. I'm sorry. We do need to actually pop into Asda. Yeah. See how England Road is bumpy and gritty? So I think we should go post office first. No, go PAX first because that's the furthest shop. Then post office, then Asda. Then when we coming out of Asda, we can just scan the thing.
If you go 99p shop as we pass to get that thing for that one last bag. That little book.
I think I like this little life. This little life. And then when we're gonna go to Morrison, we're gonna go on the A4
No, I was thinking about it.
Instead of having to come back here, it's just a bit easy. I don't know. I don't know if it's actually easier, but to me, it just makes more sense. The bus really couldn't give me a blah. Y'all big red buses, y'all horrible, man.
That's right one.
But yes, I know we're in the car quite a lot and we're doing little car vlogs, but it's actually raining as well, so I don't know. I'll try and vlog on the outside now, so you guys can see. What am I going to Pax for? I'm going to Pax for a wig cap. I'll be making a wig very soon, and this.
Whenever I like a wig caps.
Not the one to actually make a wig, mommy.
The one? No.
Do anything in here, or should I just park a wig? No, that's not a parking. Oh, it's packed, isn't it? Oh wow.
What's the parking one here?
Oh, you sure it's a park?
Sweet Emmanuel name, so sweet.
Madam, stop doing that. Can you get out? Should I go back out and come back in?
Just roll back on. Yeah, alright.
Jesus' name, so sweet. Emmanuel name, so sweet. Every rock and rock upon Jesus. No? Returning their phone. I don't think I should be thirsty until I actually get back in, so that should be alright. Right, my jewels, let's go. So we've just left Morrison in the car.
Oh my god!
Show them in your box. Show them in your box. Because you know why? We don't buy bags, you know. In this family, what we do, we just take an empty box and call it a day. I'll put it as well. Oh my gosh! I'm not even cutting that out. You have weakness, man.
Yeah, I cut it out.
That is so ghetto. Mum, this farting. Ew, Denise. Did you hear that? My lip them look dry. Jesus. We're gonna be enjoying our things now.
Easy. Reload. Load. Are we find keychain from?
You gave it to me. You forgot for my graduation.
Okay. I'm fine. I'm gonna transfer it and it just. What? Thank you, ma'am. I want to keep some in the car.
I've got some chicken bites.
Yes, ma'am. I want to keep some in the car, ma'am.
I'm just gonna have one. Just to, you know.
So we say eating meat. And my curry.
Yeah.
My curry. I'm a croutons.
Big and puff.
My croutons, yeah, but
They're called croutons.
Croutons.
What's the name can't pronounce, please?
Croutons.
Tell them, man.
Croutons.
Tell them.
What?
The food.
Oh my god, don't do that.
Look at me, food.
Yeah, okay, so you're dirty because watching.
Because you're acting shy. No, you don't want to show them.
Don't get that bananas, please.
I'm getting bananas. Just dry.
It's loaded with our sauce. Look. Right now, I'm digging into curry rice and pasta. And it's cold and nut.
That curry rice, that curry potato that she has in her plate, miss me, please.
Nice.
I'm leaving some for when I get home.
If
Hopefully,
you live near Farmers Green, come to Farmers Green, Morrison.
this is my fault.
Jesus. Cut with cheese. What you leave on you?
It's a bit overexposed, but yeah.
Overexposed.
Bless the food, bless the chef, let it be nutritious, our bodies, amen. Cover it with your blood, Jesus, because you know how I said most of these people, even Christian, that's cooking for us nowadays.
No, stop. My favorite thing, I got potato salad in here as well. I remember your vegetables. You have a lot of different pastas.
I'm addicted.
Alright, look. This is a different pasta. Look.
Meet me here next week because I'm
Look. And this is a different pasta.
I'm coming back next week. This is so good.
What is the name? This big CD one.
Couscous.
And look. Large couscous. I've got everything. This curry with vegetables.
Wow. This is absolutely amazing.
Don't drop.
This is really
And this curry rice. I'm going to share my favorite.
a new craving unlocked.
I've got so much things. This one up here, potato salad.
You know I'm a cheesy because look, cheese.
I'm gonna get to behind something I'll show you. Look, this. Croutons. Croutons. Everybody small, you can get a meal deal with a crisp and a drink.
If you buy medium.
Medium. You get a drink and a crisp. For? For how much of them?
£3.50 with the Morrison's.
Alright, in here I also have two different kind of spaghetti, but it's at the bottom. Can't get to it yet. But this crispy something. My body.
I love
A
it.
train's passing.
Crouton.
You have some too? But I have to take my favorite thing.
And I have bacon bits.
Bit?
You said you don't want none, don't do that.
Oh my God.
I said, Mum, do you want some? You said no. You shook your head.
No.
The little red things, they're bacon bits.
No, I'm going back in my plate right now.
Just enough?
I know I can't get it, but me Chris said me not doing it. I can't go in there and say, oh, you know, something tastes you gone off. I'm going to take a new one. I'm refill it. I haven't barely half in this already. I could do it.
No.
Eat out half.
I haven't even dented it yet.
Eat out half.
I will leave you right here.
Put this here in it and take it back. That's barely half already. I wouldn't do that.
No, guys, this have to wait for me for later when I'm having my dinner. No, stop.
I'm eating pain. My mama croutons. Whatever is cool. You know what I'm saying? Croutons. Crispy and just nice. Croutons. Mom, buy a give in the house. And the young women will get me ready for croutons. Yeah, listen. These croutons. Which one is this? No, I'm back at croutons. Put it down.
Yes, please. I'm not like my mum. Mum's greedy.
I love to drive and eat.
You're gonna stop eating now till everything's finished. And then later when she comes in, oh, I'm so full.
Hey, I ram it now. Pussy, why you like that? Why you like that? God bless my child, she bought me lunch. Not like I first time said God bless her. Awesome. Oh my, no man, what are you with? Oh,
Sorry.
Oh Jesus, why me down?
Girl, stop with your...
Oh, that my miss smelly
You smell what?
the bull.
Oh! I thought you were gonna say you smell my breath. I'm about to check you real quick. Smell what? Thanks to this. Yeah, but see when you're ready to pop up the place?
Like I just did out there, so.
Right.
Look, people. I was telling you I've got it right now. This one is sweet. I don't like too much sweet food. This girl is hurrying to somewhere I don't know yet.
Listen, I don't like being on the road all the time, you know.
But I can put sleep at the mother of quarry. Yeah. Jesus, no. Don't get out of hand now. Thank you, man. Now we can drive and eat.
That's all she does is nyam in this car and mess it up. Mommy's a big nyammer, guys.
I love to drive.
If you want to get to mom's heart, give her food.
No.
She's like
don't do that. Go on.
She's like my goddaughter Priya.
Don't do that.
She and mommy, that's all they do in this car is nyam and get the car messy. I don't clean my them very often, you know. I keep doing it. I don't be going to the car wash. Because as soon as you clean madam, mommy is on the prowl with her food. And her foods are always very messy foods as well. So.
You know how someone does this like that? I think this is the biggest size. Ain't no drinking more than drinks there.
I know, right? It's probably making me burp. Like,
I guess I have or what?
I don't know what it is, but girl, the salad was nice.
Very.
If you guys want to do a salad fund donation, my PayPal is in the description box.
Oh yes, thank you. So we can eat more for you. Of course, no, we're not joking.
I don't have a PayPal in my description box below.
We're not joking, but serious.
If you do want to help a sister out though, be sure to check out our business page on Instagram, Timeless Beauty and You. Come and get your pum pum right. Come and get your vagina correct. Come and have the sweetest vagina in London.
So no,
but seriously though,
you can't just move.
Oh, my yoni soaps are banging. Backside.
No, because however you look, you don't want to buy nothing from over there.
Guys, I'm so in love.
Yeah.
With my little bean, my little miracle. I'm so in love. Oh shit, what am I supposed to say?
Jesus, those not give me God have mercy. You don't girl going on bad.
I can't lie, see where the phone is. The only difference with the phone now, I can see the quality, the video quality.
Yeah, more, yeah.
I'll give them that. But besides that, that's it.
It's more like the TV we have.
Yeah, more like HD-ish, like high definition. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be mama. And in Jesus' name, so real, Emmanuel, name so real. Jesus' name so real, Emmanuel. So I I need like £150 right about now. Or even like 100, even like a 75. Let me not stretch it too much.
I want right now, want more but 140 pounds.
The story behind that £40, guys, is actually so funny.
No.
I cannot. My mom makes me laugh. I swear to God.
From nothing to only need 40, that's a good one. Because that's been good.
Amen. No, sir. Life's sweet. Life is nice.
Life is life in.
Hey, you know about that saying? What, Kuya? Who told you about this saying, Prestige?
What the hell are you?
Tell them you weren't born yesterday. What's the other face one? You never born big.
Yeah.
I remember one time. I love her, so like don't even try and get at her, but years ago, me and my cousin had like a little argument. And she come, I remember she told me that she not born but I ain't cold. And I was thinking, because obviously, even though I was born in Jamaica, I've literally grown in England. So when she said that to me, I was thinking, what the hell does she mean she wasn't born behind coal?
I remember them one day, no?
This feisty girl, I was so pissed off with her. But they were born behind coal. I was like, I don't know what that means. Like, should I be insulted or like what?
She's not stupid. Don't take her for an idiot.
Oh, but yeah, we love each other like cooked food, man. That's my base. But we did have a little fun that a couple years ago. Trust me, when she was like, oh,
oh, see you right here. Oh.
She's like, oh, is it here that she's like, Marsha?
Yeah.
Oh, why didn't she tell us to come pick up the baby? And she was like, oh.
Is our vehicle here? No.
That's not a vehicle. It was the absolute funniest thing I've ever heard. Yeah. What? It was one of the funniest things I've ever heard in my entire life. I'm gonna bomb it and cold. I was thinking, that's not hitting, sis, because I don't really know what you mean.
Yeah.
But to be fair, the other things that she said was very fake. So I was like, okay, this must be something quite cheeky, because one thing about my cousin, her church don't join church.
I'm not doing join church. Oh Lord.
Yeah, that one. And back in the day, my mouth was very vile as well, so we definitely exchanged a few words. But we were young and dumb. Now she's literally my right hand man. Love her to bits. But I can't lie, do not let that young girl cuss you out. You'll feel shame. You'll feel shame, like, and because you know when people speak Patwa, and their Patwa is very like aggressive when they're angry. Do not have a confrontation with my cousin. She will done your dance. Like, you know, us British people, even when we try to cuss, it sounds funny. So imagine you cussing in British and they're cussing in Patwa. You can't bottom them. You can't more than them. It ain't hitting, so. But yeah, man. That was a very funny time in my life, I'm telling you. This was a good 8 years. Was it 8 years ago? 8 years ago, yeah. 7, 8 years ago? It's a long time ago. What are some of those Jamaican sayings that you like to use that are a bit cheeky? I don't really use much cheeky sayings anymore because obviously I'm on the path of salvation. I know, how close was that? Such a knobhead. But yeah, man. Do you know what? I always see this saying on Instagram where it says, what would my life be if I wasn't Jamaican? Like, being Jamaican is very funny. If that the culture is a very funny culture. Some of our sayings are just ridiculously out. This is out there, like, yeah. But it's true. If I wasn't Jamaican, I think I would probably cry. I would. Besides Jamaicans' wickedness, we're actually a good set of people.
But you know what it means we weren't Jamaican?
Eh? What do you say?
If a person not Jamaican, they wouldn't know what she's talking about.
Who? My cousin? But I didn't know what she was talking about. When you said it, I was like, oh, that sentence never makes sense to me, so it's whatever. I didn't really take it as much. I was thinking, you're not born behind cow. Okay, love, neither was I. Like, who's born behind cow?
Mommy, why Jamaicans come up with that one?
I was thinking, but who's really born behind a cow? Anyways.
What about his window? No, forget you.
You know, with British people, all they really, like with Jamaicans cussing you, they'll use like parables or like they'll take something and cuss you. With British people, I find that they just cuss like, a lot, and they'll use like swear words to be cussing. That's not really cussing. It's not as creative. It's not as creative as like when a Jamaican person's cussing you. You see, if a fabulous boy is cussing you, boy, just walk away, because sis. I saw one on TikTok the other day, and let me tell you, he was really dipping underneath. I was like,
I'm getting there.
Are you finishing it now?
Not alright, but bye.
Put it away. Put it away. There's later.
Not yet.
Mama, that girl, you're greedy. Eat some now and eat some for your dinner, innit?
I've got some garlic.
No, what's gonna be left ain't gonna be sufficient, love. People, Mummy really has sat here and
this one is one too. It's a different kind of pasta as well. The more things I've got on my plate.
That's the pesto. How does it taste?
Did you everything mixed up now?
No, I kind of imagine pesto to be quite bitter. That's why I don't really have anything with pesto. It just sounds bitter.
I can't take over everything.
Pesto.
Have some more.
Yeah, but that curry is that Indian, like Asian curry, innit?
Yeah, not Indian.
Ciao. Ciao. Oh, I cross over. Oh, I cross over. Oh, I cross over. Oh, I cross over. My soul started to wonder.
Bim, bim.
Hey, nowhere sweeter than Zion. I don't care what no one says. What? Revival churches. Let me tell you, but the one thing, you have to have stamina. You can't come to a revival church and be lazy. Are you mad? Listen, you have to have stamina, because when they are drilling the bands, whoa. That's what I mean. I take medical seat. And I watch.
Don't tell me if you do things and come and watch. Be yourself.
What do you say? No. I have to sit down at the moment. But let me tell you, it's just a beautiful thing to see them drilling the bands, man. Especially when everyone's under one accord. Oh, it is sweet, and you hear the whole singing and the. I keep on telling you guys, if you want a church and you're in North, well, wherever you are in London, come to my church. My church is lit. It's like the first or the third or the second or the fifth time I've told you, if you're looking for a church, come through, baby. My church is fire. Oh, I cross over. Although I know some people have a lot to say about revival ministries and stuff like that, but I can vouch for my revival ministry. It's very clean. Very clean, and we are beautiful people, servants of God, and we just do the thing, don't we, Mum?
Yes, ma'am. We can, ma'am.
Yeah. Oh, I cross over. Please don't hear parking right there. Oh, it's disabled parking. Well, you need to get one of them badges, you know. I'm
yes,
joking. Don't be naughty and do that.
I'll try tomorrow.
But to be fair, you know, I should have one, because I have brittle bones. These people think I'm so bloody normal that no one's really trying to give me nothing, you know.
Terrible.
Even I should have a sexy little 2024 car. The little buggers. You gotta be For me, I think you gotta literally be on your D-bed for them to really do anything in this country anymore. Because what? I stopped because he stopped. It's not, I was gonna crash, Mom. Mom don't trust my driving instincts,
no, don't do that.
guys.
What one right here, son?
That's too far from the lift.
I know that because me don't sound like him something, yeah.
I know, Mom, but I always tell you, just trust what I'm doing, girl.
What's up, park right here?
Where? Oh, further. Oh, he's taken it. Oh, woman.
I'm not going to go Jeep. You don't think I'm going to go in, won't be able to go in there. But what did you want? Because, oh, 1%, I think I'll go 15. What are you doing in Wood Green today?
Yeah, today's what? Tuesday.
Let's come all the way up to the top. See the park right here. My God.
Well, it's not a problem, is it?
No, it's not a problem at all, but I mean...
I say, God bless the broken road and let me straight to you, cause every long lost dream...
That's more my face look like I look right now in this. Look. Me go pop right now, ask what the strongest bleaching cream.
I'm not cutting that out. Me, I'm leaving it in there. You're in trouble. You want to do what?
Go, but mommy every time in mind.
Do you want to?
So I'm going to ask them for the strongest bleaching cream and bleaching.
Really?
Yeah.
Sure. I'm leaving that in. You hear her, people?
Yeah.
So imagine if he was actually black, as in dark skin.
I know that, man. My face I give me too much issues now. It's not my body's always my face give me problem. I'm a back. I have a cage and come back. I need to, believe me.
You know the remedy there. Carol White,
them not really know about that song.
Carol White, Neprozone, and that's what gets your face pretty.
They don't sell it nowhere around here.
Well, go buy it where you know they sell it then.
You're
gonna waste your money down there and it's not gonna work.
Well,
you know
what was going on today?
Huh?
But then we have to park and walk before. Square boy, please.
Well, if you want pretty face, you got to pay for pretty face, love, isn't it? Just remember, they stopped selling bleaching cream in pack and stuff.
Anyway.
I used to be an avid bleacher boy, but not anymore. I'm natural. What are you eating?
I'm turning on me different. You the food must check on my teeth right now. Let me out no more. Just feel on the tongue. Ours are mine. Eh?
Oh, we are doing 6 and 7.
Oh my God. What is it? Oh, yes.
Stop it for now then, if you're not gonna...
Mangoes.
Hold this because I don't know why you put that. Thank you. Phenomenal fruits.
Yeah, Robin.
You know why I'm eating this? You know. A girl needs to
I say try.
One go. If this don't work, then go.
She was shit still.
I feel like I see the car. It is so messy.
I taste being sexy, remember me?
That's the funniest little thing.
Huh? Is that funny, sympathy?
The way I've just come back on myself is just really funny.
Can't believe that, man. Wow.
That could be her care,
or her son. Or whatever. But yeah, good. Yeah. She want daughter. Remember for daughter and I want daughter, but end up in a care.
No, why is it in cruise control? Oh, I have to fix this before I drive.
What?
That's why you don't go counter where you do. Oh, I hate when it's in cruise control. How do you take this off? Oh, there we go. I don't want it to be in cruise control. Let me maneuver my car the way I want.
Well, it's a good thing is I go fast. I come down fast and make it not today, man.
No, it wasn't working anyway because it's not set.
Well, I say if you know.
We're on our way home. Gotta say, my new phone is making me look very spectacular.
True.
I look good. I remember you bought that brand before and that brand did not shift a thing.
Macari. People I did ask in the supermarket and I was given Macari.
It wasn't a supermarket that you asked in, love. It was.
In a supermarket in
it was packs.
And I was offered Macari. £22 for the cream and £20 for the soap. That's 40 something pounds. But
you know what's funny? Do you know what's funny?
I inquired. And that's what they told me.
I'll be so done. Thank you very much. Thank you. Let my soul look out in the fast flow, and I will be lost in love. Oh, draw me nearer, 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 blessed Lord, to the cross where thou hast died. Draw me. What? Let my soul look up with a steadfast. I'm tweaking, guys.
Huh? Jesus God. You take the bronze?
Yeah.
You bought your one shit? No.
I'm sure of it.
Oh my days! You're trying to pull the water in here? Oh?
What could you do though? You'd have to sit in it.
You're making joking.
You have to sit in the sun.
Hey, you know, you want to pull the water, you have to stiffen up your bum.
Mom, I don't want to do pull the water is diarrhea. I do not want to die. I want to poo. You not understanding?
Yeah, but none of them something and it melt up the poo inside there, pull the water that.
Look at that destruction.
Go on here, some of you want to pull the water.
No, but I wouldn't do that in the car when we're like 5 minutes from home.
When that one come,
I can't like it. Having to poo and then having diarrhea is two different scenarios. If it's diarrhea, you cannot hold that. You have wherever you are, you have to just do your do, boy. Because it's just it's such a nasty conversation, isn't it? But
we all do it.
No, it's definitely helped to progress something. When I get home, when I have the olive oil and the water.
On top of it, I wouldn't do that.
Of course I am, because mommy, it feels like I haven't done it in days. Like I need to release.
Dirty Alan.
Dirty, hey guys! I think I've done a story time on my other channel about Alan. Dirty Alan, not he's dirty.
Not dirty.
That dirty man. Yeah. bugger. Oi! Oh! That's not on Bumblebee.
Oh.
That's my leg.
Oh Lord. Oh Lord.
Do you know what they give pregnant people when they need to go to the toilet? We go to GP. Laxative. Remember how nasty that tasted? Oh, you never had it? Girl, me couldn't rather be constipated. That thing tastes horrid. Laxative, you know. Not my portion, girl. Not my portion at all. Boy.
Hold your aim. What do you talk about one time? Hold your what again? On a road, hold your lane, hold your... That purpose.
Where did you hear it from?
Hold your aim. The woman, some Jamaican this I think. Hold your... Oh my God.
Hold your what, babes?
I can't remember what it is. Hold your something like that. Hold your lane, hold your road, hold your... What was
hold
it
your
again?
lane, keeping it...
No man, it was one talk, so hold your something like that. You remember that?
No. How many years ago was that?
And the whole of peace and the whole of...
Hold your place? It must have been hold your place, Bobs.
Man, hold your place now, son. I can't remember, it will come back to you.
Hold me right hand, me Jesus, hold me right hand. Oh Lord, I beg you, hold my right hand. Hold my right hand, me Jesus, hold my right hand. Oh Lord, hold my right hand, Jesus, hold my right hand. Oh Lord, hold. Do you know what? We can get water later on.
Jesus, cause you know what I call, hey, the next thing, please don't poop in here. Because when that poop come out for the polar water, hit it.
Mom, I keep on telling you I don't need to do Apollo water. I need to go to the toilet. Now stop being rude.
Yes. But you know some things, yeah? Seriously speaking, I don't remember about them, I don't hear him, I don't nothing. And when the time comes, sometimes you just come out like polar water. I haven't said that in years.
She's so country, guys.
Polar water?
That's how you know she come from a country.
I don't come from a country, don't do that.
Me, I come from...
Don't do that.
I come from the biggest city in Jamaica. I'm joking. I'm a country. You know what? I'm from the third city in Jamaica. Let me tell you guys something. I'm proud to announce that Tabia, Julsz, me, yeah, I am an original Negro girl. Not many can say that. Both my parents come from Negro. So me, I'm an original Negro girl. A lot of you flee from Kingston and them places to come populate my little Negro. I want to come say, you know, don't come from Negro. But me, I'm born and bred in Negro. Yeah.
Your father come from
the Negro. Prettiest part.
The heart of Negro.
The heart of
you just
Negro.
Walk from the house right into the town, so I don't like you don't have to take no transportation.
Listen, let me tell you, I'm an original
Mm-hmm.
Negro girl. No one could ever take that away from me. I don't come from no country bush place. I come from tourist place. Yeah. I'm an expensive girl. Yeah.
I think I did make a good decision there.
Yeah, man. I'm a Negrillian. I'm an original Negrillian. Me and my cousin, original Negro people.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I have land right now.
So when people are saying, oh, they come from Negro, nah, boo.
I'm going to get captured land. You don't come from
Right, Negro. You don't come from Negro. You come
you come on, yeah.
Right, you come on teeth piece of land, right? But I actually born and bred there. So I'm a real Negro girl.
Yes,
yeah, man. Big up Negro, big up Bricks Cafe, 7 Mile Beach, all that good
Hermitage,
thing. Hermitage, Mount Airy.
Yes, all the hills people.
All the hills people, my place. When we come talk about she's a Negro person.
Don't go there.
When we come from bad Grange Hill, guys.
Oh my days.
She's a bad girl. Hey.
We don't come from Grange Hill. We come from Germantown.
Listen, when we come from
people have blue eyes.
When we come from Grange,
blue eyes and
when we come from Grange, mommy's a bad girl.
The people them eyes blue and them.
That's why you can't test mommy's a bad girl. People, bad girl.
Them at Germantown, the people them come from. If you say white people with blue eyes, it's true.
Prestige, you want to be white in there?
No, it's really true. It's
I'm
true.
not saying you're lying.
And my grandmother now come from Lambs River. Yeah. Yeah. Woo!
See you soon, guys. I'm going to go and try my luck.
Where in our shop they have? Oh, yeah, their shop.
Damn alcohol.
This is pretty few hundreds.
Can you look up an item for me, please?
You stay safe. Don't make me cover these people, nobody do anything. Alright, see you later. Bye-bye. So when you would you park? You know?
She said she's coming around, isn't it? Right, let me try this. Look, really good. This is huge.
You know what color car?
No, babe, I don't. Wow, wow.
Nice. Are you not doing it on the video?
I am, just recording.
Oh, Spucci.
Yeah, that's not all.
Go on, me carry it.
Right, Julsz, see you soon. I'm gonna go on your live and hold in your hand. You ever thought about that? I'm talking to you.
Got closer.
Which crisp you eating? But it's sorted. Oh.
And chicken, I love chicken little.
That's for me. I'm gonna hide that.
One, not a cup.
One digger, please.
When you should refill that.
I can smell baby formula. What I think can stink sometimes. Yuck. Especially them lactose ones.
And slimy.
They pack a punch, boy. Them ones pack a punch. And the shit that they make the kids have. Sorry. Right, last stop for the day. I quite like Do you see the eyeliner that I bought today, yeah? You know how long I've had it? I think 1.5 years, going 2 years, you know?
What is so wrong?
I can't let it last very long. It's a long lasting.
So the money card.
It is because, no, that's something you don't buy often at all. To be honest, you don't really buy much. I don't buy much makeup often. No. Huh? No. The reason why I bought it today is because I've literally drenched that bottle. No, but there's nothing else left in it, that's what I'm trying to tell you. We literally drenched it. So with Julsz, I think we are going to come to the end of the vlog very soon. Please let me know how you've enjoyed today's vlog. I know it's been very, what's the best word to describe it? Very chippity choppity hoppity. It's been all over the gaff, but we are quite.
No, you spend the day with us and you see how life sometimes can be busy. From one place to the other.
We are quite busy at the moment. No word to lie. Hey, they never give people a blind to turn into little roads, you know. We are such a what's the word? Selfish nation. Mankind is so selfish. Everyone's out for themselves. Wow, you want to turn into a road, you got to be waiting about 15 cars before. The only time I don't give people a blind, right, is if I'm in a rush. If I'm in a rush, I'm sorry. But if I have time, baby, you can come in front or whatever. Do whatever. Especially if you act with manners and stuff. You know what I mean?
That's it.
But if you want to come bully me on the road, that really gets on my last hit. Yeah. Look, she got him on the little thing now. He's not pedaling, you know. She's pushing it. You buy all these gadgets thinking they're going to use them and they don't. Oh, that so sad. Cause me conscience would not allow me to cry out, to cry out, to cry out. Cause me and my ears are deaf, and my conscience would not allow me to cry out, to cry out, to cry out. Cause my eyes are blind, and my ears are deaf, and my conscience would not allow me to cry out, to cry out, to cry out. Next song. Roam, roam, roam. Tell me why you go roam. I can see you. The stupid man. You see the speed he just came down in the car with? Backside? What is going on out here? Oh, it's funeral procession. Oh, I wish I respect them in there.
Ain't going home, funeral over. Can't bear at a certain time you see the hearse empty.
Oh.
No, me know they ain't going. The funeral home is backside. The funeral home is just across the road over the water, the green lane. So I'm going to take the back road and go. Oh God.
I know the black man is not going to let me in, but you know. My chin looks shiny like I eat some chicken batty. Oh, thank you. God bless you, black man. What was I gonna say? Oh, the song. Roam, roam, roam. Tell me why you go roam.
Come on.
My third skill. Roam, roam, roam. Tell me why you go roam. Oh, disobedient children. Tell me why you go roam. Oh, disobedient children, tell me why you go roam. Roam, roam, roam. Tell me why you go roam. Why is there so much traffic today? What's going on today? Oh, disobedient children, tell me why you go roam. Oh, disobedient children, tell me why you go roam. Roam, roam, roam. Tell me why you go roam. Roam, roam, roam. Tell me why you go roam. Oh, disobedient children, tell me why you go roam. Tell me why you go roam. People, you see who's eating again in the car? All she does is, I grease my face up today, but all she does is eat. Oh, I'm used to the traffic.
What not the road?
I had something, there's got to be an accident.
Or maybe that other if in our reception.
That doesn't cause that much traffic.
It's almost to be cars, isn't it? Too?
Oh, disobedient children, tell me why you go roam. Roam, roam, roam. Tell me why you go roam. Roam, roam, roam. Tell me why you go roam. Oh, I wonder if I should be cheeky and cut through there, go around the back and cut all the way at the top.
You have to go up there so for the ground. You can't go down there.
You can.
Is it?
Yeah. Because we are not gonna get. Oh, this is big.
Tell me why you go wrong.
Look, this is what you call a gridlock. A gridlock. But I'm sure someone probably had the same idea. Something's happening. I don't know what it is, but something's happening. Stay in the traffic or take my chances?
You're talking about the traffic.
Huh?
Whichever, what you think we do?
Well, I'm asking you.
Do you just stay right your car?
No worries.
Oh, can't see what's going on. Wait, people not come. One, we can get one chicken sitting. I'm going to take it.
Hey, Prestige, you can eat.
One Jamaican behind me.
You can eat, you know.
We're going to strict past diet. Lord man, and this sitting.
I can cut that out.
Oh Jesus, every time you make appointment, you don't remember. Grab one Quebecer.
Don't waste my chicken.
Auntie?
No.
It's a bit easy. Am I one from the other one? I'm going to take this one easy.
Enough, you know.
No, you're Jamaican behind us.
Enough, you know. I want to blast some music too. Me, Julsz, we might have to see you in a little while, my darling. You know what I mean? To let the traffic go a bit quicker, because we're just going to be sat in traffic really and truly, right? Love you guys. See you soon.